Hola, welcome to King of Mambo.
Thank you. What are we gonna make today?
Today I'm going to make for Arrack Sour.
Arrack Sour.
Yes, this is a Finnland Sri Lankan Arrack. So today I'm going to make the Arrack Sour.
Okay, so it's Sri Lankan Finnland Arrack.
Yes, this is Sri Lankan Arrack.
Okay, that's amazing.
Sure. So first of all, I'm going to add for the 25 ml for the lime juice.
Okay.
And the simple syrup,
Oh, yeah.
20 ml.
Yeah.
It should be sweet and sour.
Always the best one.
And 2-3 drops of the egg white.
It's gonna be good. So
Yes.
Sri Lankan Finnland Arrack.
And the
I love
end,
it.
yes, at the end we're going to add 50 ounce Sri Lankan Finnland Arrack.
50 ounce.
Yes.
It's gonna be good.
And then
Yeah.
and then we'll shake it.
It's gonna be good sour.
Don't worry, later you can see the thing. Fresh ice
Yeah.
and then double shake.
Oh, double shake.
Yes.
So it's even more like
More
smoothie.
getting foamy because
Oh.
we want to get the foam. That's why we add for the egg white.
Yeah.
See
That
how you
looks
can see
so
the nice
good.
foam, right?
Yeah.
So
I
like
love
the
it.
cappuccino, right?
Yeah.
And then end
Yeah.
lemon bitters.
Lemon bitters. Okay.
So lemon bitters, then we'll add one dry garnish homemade slice of dry lime
Yeah.
and the spin of mint leaf.
It's gonna be so fresh.
Sure. Please enjoy the drink.
Oh, thank you so much.
A pleasure.
It's so good.